In this video, I wanted to introduce Bao. Now, he's one of my mentorship group students who just made a phenomenal amount of money trading today. And I wanted to capture his excitement and his emotions. So let's hop on the call with him right now.
So my name is Bao. From Vietnam originally. Came to the U.S. about 12 to 13 years ago. Currently a student at SNSU, studying business administration, finishing my master degree. But with that, I'm working at TD Bank, and I joined Mark Trading Group about a year ago. Was like spending all of my money that I got from DoorDash. I was doing delivery, put it on the mentorship group. Then, I kind of take my time learning from there. And today I actually make 22K, 22K today, 22.
I thought you only made 10 only, but you made 22 grand?
Because at the pre-market, so one of my contract I bought was for 285. At pre-market, it already went up to 1305, and then in market was opening, it gone up to 1505. That's when I saw it max.
What are the emotions going through your head right now?
I think right now it's super, how your body just super in the air. But I think it just, for me, it just not the profit, but I think it's about me actually doing the work and actually seeing how I charge, how kind of strategy that I want to play out. I actually put my TP is where it's there, my stop loss where it need to be. Then it feel great to have money, but it just feel great that the skill that it take to learn is actually showing result now.
I mean, I couldn't have said it better myself. The results, are finally showing after all the hard work that you've put in, all the pieces to the puzzle, like they came together today. Uh,
Yeah,
that's phenomenal. Congratulations.
thank you.
Anything out there that you would like to share? If someone's interested in joining the mentorship, what would you say to them?
I think the problem with them is all about the mindset, right? When you spend such a large amount of money on whatever, you go to school, go to college, even if you want to get the degree, right? You have to pay a certain amount of money, right? You have to take risks, because to me, going college doesn't doesn't allow you to have that kind of freedom, or it doesn't allow you, hey, you're gonna get a job outside this work. Because if nowadays, see how INTC just lay off thousands of engineers, thousands of workers, so it doesn't guarantee you that. But if you have some type of skill that
Mhm.
you build and help yourself, and if you take the time to learn and dedicate, I think this is the right thing for you to do.
Wow. No, I appreciate you sharing. I mean, I'm just blown away. How old are you?
I'm 22.
22, going to college,
Yeah,
made 22,000 today.
yeah.
Unreal. Thank you so much for sharing.
You're welcome, Mark.
Now, if you are motivated, inspired, and ready to learn how to make money trading options in the stock market, I will put a link in the description below. Subscribe for more, and I will see you all in the next one.